In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Snapchat account permanently. First, I will show how to do this on the iPhone, and then I will also show you how to do this on an Android device. Let's dive right into it. First of all, please open up Snapchat. Then in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the gear icon in the upper right. Then scroll down all the way to the bottom. And under Account Actions, you will then see Delete Account. Tap on it. Now, it is important to note, in order to delete your account permanently, your account first needs to be deactivated for 30 days. I'm not a fan of how Snapchat handles this, but this is just how it works. So, whenever you're trying to delete your account, it will first be deactivated for 30 days, and only after that it will be deleted. With that said, to continue, you will have to enter your password right here. Above, you will see your username. You can just leave it like that. You don't need to enter your email address instead. You just need to enter the password now. After you've entered that, tap on Continue. And your account is then about to be deactivated. And as mentioned, in 30 days, your account will be deleted. And this is how you delete your Snapchat account permanently. Now let's have a look at how to delete your Snapchat account permanently on Android. First of all, open up the Snapchat app. Then in the upper left corner of the screen, tap on the profile icon. Next, tap on the gear icon in the upper right. Then scroll down. Until you see the support section right here. Then tap on I need help. And then tap on this search field here on top. And you should then actually see delete my account. If you see that, you can tap on it from here. If you don't see that, in the search field here, type in delete my account. And then tap on the search icon in the lower right corner of the screen. You should then find this result, and you can tap on it from here. At the bottom, you will then see Snapchat Accounts Portal. Tap on it. Now provide your username or email, or you can also provide your phone number instead. I will go with the email. And then tap on Next. Now please provide your password. Once you enter the password, tap on Next. Then scroll down and tap on Delete my account. I know, Snapchat makes it incredibly difficult to delete your account, but you're almost there, trust me. Before we finish this off though, there is one more important thing to note. When you're trying to delete your Snapchat account, it will first be deactivated for 30 days before it will actually be deleted. This is not pleasant at all, I know, but this is just how it works on Snapchat, unfortunately. So with that said, the last step you have to take is to enter your password here. Above, your username has already been pre-filled. So you just need to enter the password. So let's do that. And once you've done that, tap on Continue. And finally, we get the message account deactivated. Also, as I just mentioned, it says in 30 days your account will be deleted. So you really have to wait 30 days for your Snapchat account to be deleted permanently. Well, it is what it is, I guess. And that's it, guys. This is how you delete your Snapchat account permanently, both on iPhone and on Android. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash the like button and subscribe for more iPhone and Android tutorials.